Guys, it's your girl J to the O to the Y to the Smith, Joy Smith concept. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I spent my day. I started off by going to NYSC headquarters in Abuja, Maitama to be precise. It's actually my first time of visiting the headquarters in Abuja. So this is me inside the compound, exploring how the whole place looks like, and the place actually looks nice. This is me in the lift trying to get to the floor, and here I am in the office of one of the directors that I visited to actually know what was going on there. This is just giving this baby girl vibe. So after the visit, I went out to have my lunch. I actually went to Yes, I went to have my lunch. I actually went to Niger Delta Port. Oh my goodness. This restaurant is very, very beautiful and it has this lovely look. And this is me sitting. I was actually waiting to know what they have in their menu. Then after that, I have to wait and wait and wait. And do you know one thing I don't like about this new norm in the restaurant is that they will ask you to wait for them to make a fresh meal for you, even though I love fresh meals. But then I don't want to wait. If I had wanted to wait, maybe I for don't go my house, go they wait. But this thing of making people wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, 100 hours before having their meals is so appalling. In fact, that thing they vex me die. So I have to order for avocado, mochi, whatever, just to keep to time. Then after that, my meal finally arrived. I ordered for chicken sauce and white rice, and this is me doing justice to the meal. Well, the meal makes sense though. It makes sense. I think you should try it. I don't know if you've tried it before, but it makes sense. So I have to help my ministry by cupping it down with my avocado smoothie. So after that, I have to leave, and the next place I found myself was Transcorp Hilton. This is me outside the hotel trying to, look at the whole compound to know how everywhere looks like, admiring myself and doing what I know how to do best. You guys know I love pictures a lot. This is me taking pictures, after which I have to go inside to go and explore what is actually inside there. We've heard a whole lot about this Transcorp Hilton five-star hotel, blah blah blah. So actually the hotel interior is very, very lovely and nice. And this is me catching my groove. Like I love the scene, like the environment is looking so lovely and sweet. As you guys know, I love good things. I love good things a lot. And so I was just admiring the whole place and catching my cruise, and oh my goodness. So guys, hang in there because there are so many things that you're going to see. There are so many interiors, so many lovely environments and stuff that you're going to see. So this is me moving about because I needed to see everything seeable in this place. And the place, more you just have to enjoy yourself whether you have money or not. So after that, I have to go down to the swimming pool area, and this at this point, pictures are restricted somehow because of people's privacy, so they don't allow people to take pictures here or make videos and stuffs, so that people's privacy can actually be protected. So guys, this is how the swimming pool area looks like. It looks so lovely and nice, and I love it so much, even though I didn't have the opportunity to swim because I didn't come for that. Then after then, I have to go to the other part, the garden part of it, to explore, to know what's going on there. And that place also look nice. In fact, I'm giving these people 101/10. Jesus Christ, what am I even saying? But the place is actually nice. Guys, I think you need to visit this place. I think you should also try to spend, even though it's one night, in this place. It's just an advice. Like, I'm not forcing, I'm not pressuring you, because I just want you to come and explore what I've explored myself. Because as you guys know, I love good things a lot, and when I see good things, I identify with good things, and I will tell you guys, this is good. You have to try it out. So guys, this is me walking around and looking at things, and this area, I think they changed money, be POS or whatever. I can't really remember what was going on there, but I was just, you know, trying to find out what was going on there. And after here, The next place I went to is I don't know, I can't remember. Okay, yeah, like I said, I was actually going towards the garden area. Then from the garden area, I now went to the restaurant. Jesus Christ, this place looks so nice. Oh, guys, are you seeing your baby girl looking so soft and scrumptiously? Mwah. Oh my goodness. In fact, even if you don't want to praise me, I'm going to praise myself. So after that area, the next thing was for me to leave the interior part of the hotel, and this is me outside trying to go home because I've really tried and I was almost looking exhausted. Guys, this trip was a very lovely one for me, and I really enjoyed myself. And I really want to thank you guys so much for always hanging in there for your girl. I love you guys so much. You know you are the bestest of the best. Just have a nice day and take care of yourself. Ciao.